Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, dual rear wheels, rear wheel drive, tires, rear all season, tires, front all season. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.